These gummies came with a sticker on the lid which gave instructions how to get a free bottle. I did what it said to do and did not get the free bottle. I reached out to the distributor and they told me to follow the directions on the sticker, which I already did, and it has been disposed of after I followed the directions. As a healthcare worker, I use every available resource to stay healthy, and elderberry supplements help tremendously. I have been looking for a no-nonsense, easy-to-understand ingredients-made elderberry product. For me, syrup isn't always practical, so these gummies look to be a great option. They taste great, aren't overly chewy, soft, or hard. I love that they are not sticky but not powdery. It's only been 2 days since I started using them, so I'll have to report their efficacy later. For now I can say this: the size, texture, flavor, and quality are second to none I have ever tried. The packaging is the appropriate size, not oversized with excess bottle to fill, nor over small leaving the product crammed. The label is clear and not full of unnecessary content. The child-proof lid is sturdy and seals well. Would I buy it again? Yes. Would I suggest its purchase? The price point is also fair, given the quality of the product. As of now, I give it 5 stars, as I have yet to find any fault or concerns regarding these Havasu Nutrition Elderberry Gummies. Love these easy-to-chew elderberry gummies. Combating the germ pool at work with success. Thank you for a great product. I was sick of being sick the last few months that I decided to give this a try. I read good reviews about them. These are easy to eat, great flavor, and I think they are boosting my immune system. I have been giving these to my toddlers because they are always sick due to being around other sick kids. They have not been sick as nearly as much as they used to be before they began taking it, although the other kids are obviously sick. I am very thankful for this supplement. And my kids love the taste. I have bought several bottles of the Havasu Elderberry Gummies and I love them. They have really been working wonders for me, and I have shared this product with many friends as well. Taste great. Hoping to keep myself and my family healthy and boost our immune systems. I don't know how effective the gummies, but my kids like the taste. Click link in description for more reviews. Check our recommendations.